Hello and welcome to the Video Conference Ready Networks presentation from Blue Coat Systems. My name is Jonathan Andreessen. I'm Director of Solutions Marketing, and I'll be your presenter for today. In today's tough economic environment, enterprises are looking to cut expenses, and travel is a key area of focus to reduce costs, but the workload remains unchanged. With more and more employees working in different locations, enterprise employees really need the ability to stay connected and to collaborate effectively with other colleagues remotely. And so productivity is becoming a key cost issue. At the same time, it's becoming more challenging to obtain high and reliable quality video connectivity over IP for video conferencing, as it's very sensitive to other applications that run over the same network and compete for bandwidth. So it's really a delicate balancing act. How do you ensure high-quality video while keeping your cost to a minimum and minimizing configuration complexity when you actually have to deploy video? With video conferencing, quality does matter. Without adequate control, the result is a non-guaranteed quality and user experience. Broken images and garbled audio adversely affect meeting productivity, and the problem is often competing applications. As we'll see in this presentation, Blue Coat's PacketShaper is able to guarantee video and voice quality, protecting each individual video conferencing session. For video conferencing terminals are connected to an MCU that typically resides in the data center. In an unmanaged converged network, however, the communication between video conferencing terminals in the branch and the MCU in the headquarters is often compromised by competing enterprise application traffic and backhauled internet traffic. Web surfing, file transfers, email, backups, and even unmanaged recreational video can adversely affect video conferencing performance. Another challenge for video conferencing is the ever-increasing amount of internet traffic on the network that also competes for bandwidth. There's business web applications like Salesforce.com or other software as a service applications, but there's also recreational applications that aren't core to the business, but which enterprise employees like to access, such as YouTube or Facebook, and these can negatively affect video and voice performance. There are three typical solutions that IT managers consider to improve video conferencing quality. The first and most obvious is increasing the WAN link capacity, but this can be very expensive. Even if you deploy more bandwidth, you can't control how the bandwidth is going to be used. Will it be used for more YouTube videos or more business applications? Another frequent response is to use the router for quality of service. Now, the issue with this approach is that a router uses a queuing mechanism that can't avoid dropping packets. This is especially detrimental to video as it's highly sensitive to packet loss and any kind of latency of packets. What's more, routers can't identify critical applications, recreational traffic, or even video traffic. Routers can't prevent inbound traffic congestion from impacting remote video conferencing. A third option is to use MPLS class of service through a service provider backbone. But what really happens at the last mile is what's really most important, as it's here that all packets come together, and the router again suffers congestion and results in dropped packets. So in reality, traditional packet-based networks can't accurately identify and provide differentiated service to applications or video traffic. Now what's needed is a video conference ready network. Network infrastructures consist of routers and switches, and they're really good at forwarding packets from a source location to a destination. But network infrastructure doesn't care what application runs over it or how it works. So to be ready for video, a network must first have the visibility to discover and see all application traffic, as well as being able to measure the quality of video and audio in real time with detailed metrics. It's also important to be able to dynamically prioritize and shape all traffic, as well as prevent unwanted congestion that can impact performance. And so when it comes to troubleshooting, it's important to be able to isolate problems as they occur so that you can quickly recover performance. At the same time, real-time monitoring, centralized reporting, and proactive management help the IT manager to track and control video conference performance more effectively. And so, connectivity networks integrated with application intelligence, acceleration, and performance control enable a network that is truly ready for video. Now, visibility is the foundation of a video-ready network, and Bluecoat's PacketShaper provides unmatched granular visibility. PacketShaper auto-discovers all the applications on the network. It's able to distinguish between each individual video conferencing session, such as a 1.9 megabit link between Hong Kong and New York, from a 384 kilobit link between Mumbai and Sydney. What's more, PacketShaper can isolate non-video conferencing video traffic, such as recreational video like Yahoo or MSN Video, which can negatively impact performance on video conferencing links. The result is that the IT manager now has full visibility into all the applications on the network, particularly the video conferencing sessions that are a high priority, as well as other types of video or recreational applications which compete for available bandwidth. Now, policy control is a core element of Bluecoat's video conference ready network, and it protects your video and other business critical applications as it prioritizes them over other recreational or non-business critical applications. Using policy, IT managers need to be able to quickly contain problem applications or even block traffic. As protecting critical applications like video conferencing, it's important to do so at a granular level. With Bluecoat, each individual video conferencing session can be assigned appropriate bandwidth so that each video conferencing session has guaranteed quality of user experience. Now, say for example that video conferencing, SAP, and non-critical traffic run on a 16 megabit WAN link. And let's say as well that the admin predefines multiple policies for different conditions. So when there's no video traffic that's detected, 10 megabits of bandwidth is automatically assigned to SAP. But when video conferencing is running and its bandwidth is less than 5 megabits, the Bluecoat solution changes the bandwidth for SAP from 10 megabits to 5 megabits automatically. Once video conferencing traffic reaches 10 megabits, all non-critical applications are blocked automatically to reserve bandwidth for SAP. All policy adjustments are dynamic and automatic. The network adapts to all traffic conditions as predefined, with no manual operation needed, and without wasting bandwidth. Bluecoat real-time monitoring works as a meter to measure the quality of the network and the video and audio that resides on it. With over 100 available metrics and graphs, IT managers can measure available bandwidth usage as well as key video impacting metrics such as packet loss, latency, and jitter in real time. Now, real-time awareness of performance is very important to video conferencing as it's very much a real-time application. It helps the IT department to find potential performance issues proactively to reduce help desk calls and enforce strict application level SLAs. Now, once the performance issue occurs, an email is sent to administrators and syslog, and SNMP trap is sent to the NMS. Bluecoat understands that video conferencing is about increased productivity and cost control. With Bluecoat, your video conferencing solution works every time, maximizing your investment in video conferencing systems and ensuring that all branches and even teleworkers can access video conferencing when they need it. Now, Bluecoat's video conferencing solution ensures that every single video conferencing session has guaranteed high quality of user experience. It enables users to experience up to 60% improvement in the quality of video and voice. A high quality of user experience is possible without the need to increase expensive bandwidth that can impact your bottom line and that doesn't guarantee a high quality of user experience for the user. Video conferencing SLAs with less help desk calls saves on IT operational costs and ensures all users can access video conferencing when they need it. So is your network video conferencing ready? If not, talk to your Bluecoat sales representative today. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for listening and have a great day.